Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to get rid of ads on Vita Mahjong on your phone. Let's get started. First open your iPhone and go to the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. To stop ads while playing, just turn on aeroplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Tap the aeroplane icon when it turns orange. Aeroplane mode is on. Now go back to the game and start playing. Because your internet is off, no ads will load. This is the easiest and fastest way to play ad-free. If you don't want aeroplane mode, you can simply turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data. With no internet, the ads can't appear. Some versions of Vita Mahjong offer a remove ad process. Open the game, look for settings or shop and check for a no ads button. This is usually remove ads permanently, but it may cost a small fee. When you turn off the internet, some features like daily gifts or challenge may not work, but the main game still works perfectly without ads. And that's it. These are the easiest way to get rid of ads on Vita Mahjong on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.